Are you a coach, a speaker, or a course creator and you've been looking for the best way to create your presentation, or you are tired of using Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slide to create boring presentation? Today, I want to show you how you can use Canva to create beautiful and attractive presentation such that you can add different elements customized to your taste, and that will help your audience to stay glued to the end of your presentation. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I share valuable information and tips that can help you start your virtual assistant business, grow your online business, or even make money working from your home or from anywhere at all. So today, I will show you how to create your presentation using Canva. Without wasting time, let's get into
Let's look
it.
at how you can create presentations in Canva. You know, you can actually create presentation using different tools. For example, um, Microsoft Microsoft PowerPoint is for presentation. Also, Google Slides is for presentation. But there's another very easy way by which you can create presentation in less than 5 minutes in Canva. So let's get right into it. Now, you need to first of all come here to create a design or search here. But I'll come here and click on create a design. And then I am going to either search in the search bar if and search for presentation, or by the left hand side pane here, you can see the list of things you can do. Also, just right here, you can also pick your design template from here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on presentations right here, and it will present me different templates that we can choose from. If you have not seen my beginners my video on starting out as a beginner using Canva, go right now and watch it. It will help you and give you an idea of what we are talking about here. So the next thing you need to do is to pick your presentation size. There are different sizes. We have the 16:9, we have the mobile size, the 4:3, 4:3, and so on and so forth. So depending on the size that you want to pick. So for me, I am just going to pick one of these designs here. Remember that the designs with the crown here has they are pro. If you subscribe to the pro version, you are paying for monthly fee. You are paying a monthly fee. You will be able to use that. But if not, you can use a free one. For example, this is free. This is also free, and there are a lot of free templates here. So I'm going to click on this. I already have my presentation outline somewhere in a document. So all I just need to do is to copy paste, change some elements, some designs, color, and the rest here in my template. And before you know what is happening, I am done. So I'm going to go ahead to, okay. So this only has one page, as you can see. So let's go look for another template that has more pages. So I'll click on designs here. When I click on designs here, I'll just click on back. Okay. So, okay, actually, it actually has 17 pages. So I just needed to add all the pages. So I'm just going to click on apply all 17 pages. Then when I click apply, it should apply in my workspace, like you are saying it right here. Okay, like you're saying it. So the next thing for me is to go ahead and start creating. So this is the front page. So this is where I'm going to add my title, the title of this design. Okay, so I already have an outline here. So I'm going to copy the outline and paste here. So basically, all the things you need to do right here is to copy and paste job, is to copy your work, paste it in this uh template, and then you are good to go. Okay, adjust one or two things and then you are good to go. So if I have a subtopic, I will add it here, but since I don't have one, I am just going to leave it. So you can also change the picture or the image that is found here. Okay, you can change the image to relate with what you are doing. It's very simple. You come to element, you search for example, healthy living. I'm going to search for that, and so that I can replace the image there, right? So I'm going to look for a graphics that actually portray what I'm trying to talk about. So I want to use this. So I'm going to delete what it was there before, and I'm going to place my own image or element right there. So I'll move on to the next page. Then I want to add my introduction. Okay. So as you can see, this is nothing more than a copy and paste work. I'm copying this and I'm going to paste right on my slide. Okay, let me copy it one after the other. So just go ahead, edit, add your information one after the other. And when you are done, change all the colors from to your preferred color or your brand color, right? Preferred color, your brand color, so that it will align with your brand. Just trying to edit this. Okay, that's perfect. So I pick the third one, the third point here, and I'm going to add it. So since I have 3 points, I'm just going to, okay, this is a little bit longer. So I'll paste it here. I will delete this, and extend this so it takes the space. Good, beautiful. So I move to the next slide, and I'm going to do the same thing until we get to the very, very last slide. Editing, copying, and adding our information to ensure that you stretch this out or you reduce it so it can actually take the space. So you want to add some photos here. You want to add some photos. So all I need to do is to drag and drop it where I want. I'll first of all select this, then drag my picture from, select this, right? Drag my picture from here, from the element, and paste into the, okay, sorry, I'm using the same picture. So as we can see, so you change your text, move on to the next. So when you're done, let's assume now I'm done and I want to edit the branding. So I want to change the colors. So let's look, first of all, let me change the text to black, the background color. I want to change the background color from blue to maybe red or just pink, and this maybe to purple. So just the same way, change the background color, change the text color. As you can see, you keep doing this until you are done. Before you know it, you will be on the last slide and you are done with your presentation. When you are done editing everything, you come to share, then click on download. You can see you can either download as a PDF, depending on what you want. You can download as a PowerPoint presentation. You can also download as a video. So it means you can turn this presentation into a video, right? You can also still download as JPEG or PNG, which are image formats. So look at it. You can download as a PDF, standard, PDF print, PowerPoint, and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and download it as a PowerPoint, and I'll click on download when I've selected all the pages that I want to download. And right now my work is downloading and downloading. So this is basically how you can create a PowerPoint presentation in Canva. Very simple and easy and direct.
So now that you've seen how you can create your beautiful designs in Canva, what are you waiting for? Stop creating boring presentations. Stop creating boring presentation. Create presentations that will allow your audience to stay till the end of your presentation. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and also share with your friend. And if you are a new visitor to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we have valuable and amazing videos that can help you to start your online business or working from home. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.